Hey guys, subscribe for daily content. And if you're shopping for gear, make sure you check out the description for the newest items at some of the very best online retailers. There's also links for some of the items that I personally recommend. Thanks! What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got a very exciting unboxing to share with you guys. I can't tell you how hard it was for me to not just open this by myself off camera, but I rushed down here. I was here when UPS brought it, and so I'm going to share this with you guys. Thanks so much to my generous patrons who are supporting me. There's a link for Patreon right down below, and please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. Let's open this up. It's still, one of the flaps is loose here, but the rest of it, technically I can just open this with my hands, but you know, we got a way of doing things, so there we go. Yeah, I totally use the thing to open it, but okay. So this got here really fast, and I am extremely excited and impressed at the speed at which this arrived. Oh boy, I'm so pumped. Oh, what have I gotten myself into? Man. I've been told so many times not to get into these types of things. Okay, so we have the booklet here. Yeah, the owner's manual, which I will read through. And some other things that it's right here, right? So this is information that watch enthusiasts will understand. I want you to know, if you're watching this right now, I'm a pocket knife channel. I'm learning about watches, right? This is a watch, a pretty intense watch. So it's one of those things where people, I'm sure, are asking, why are you making purchases like this if you don't truly understand? I don't know, because I really love how this looks, and I'm intrigued by the mechanism. I'm so words? Are words still a thing? Oh my gosh. Oh, I'm so happy with this. Oh my gosh, that is just exactly what I hoped that it would be. Let's I'm gonna get this. Man, the feeling of just this. So this is a Formex Reef. Oh my god, that is just so beautiful. I'm getting this all the way up to the top there. Just the feeling of quality in that versus other watches that I've experienced in the past. Oh man. Yes, okay, does it just go like that? Ah, and the fit is just exactly right. Oh my gosh, shout out to Formex. Thank you for, so I had a conversation with them on Instagram. Nick Shabazz, also thank you for all the information you gave me. But they were so cool about helping me understand exactly what it was that I was purchasing and just giving me some additional information. And this, I could not be happier with this. So this is the new, part of what intrigued me, this guy had an element that is a little bit different. Sorry, there's some other things in here, like additional links, and then there's, it looks like a tool. They actually provide the tool. That's really cool. And I think most likely, yeah, good thing I kept going there. There's another thing in here. And that's the extra bezel that I ordered. I ordered an extra ceramic black bezel. I chose this one here with the gray dial and the steel bezel. But what made this particular watch so intriguing, the element that's different, this is a 300-meter chronometer, which is really cool. So it's, you know, waterproof or extremely water resistant up to a certain depth. It's got a ceramic crystal, I guess is how we say that. This is a 42 millimeter. I'm trying to get information out there that I know people are going to want to know, because this is just an unboxing, it's not a review. But the fact that the bezel can be removed and a new one, a new bezel can be, put on. These are bezels that are offered by Formex in various colors. They have black, green, blue, and then the steel color. The fact that you can, if you get a different face color like green or blue or black or white, right? I think they even did orange at one point. That's really cool. That's not something that I have ever seen before. I mean, I'm not saying it's the first time that, a bezel on a watch is able to be removed and switched out, but this is one where you just use a simple plastic tool and pop it off. It's real easy. It's not apparently nowhere near as difficult as what people normally go through when they mod their watches. This also has a quick adjust, which with this being an unboxing, I think, is it this right here? Okay, I've got it figured out now. So push this down and then this can be pushed in. Looks like 8. Yeah, 8 adjusts. So you can always, it's kind of like the diver's extension ratchet clasp I have on this Seiko, except this is the actual Formex clasp. So that's really cool because that's a big deal to me. I can't stand it when my wrists swell, throughout the day, or they shrink or whatever, and then I can't get exactly the fit that I want. But on this guy, it's gonna always fit exactly right. I kind of prefer that it fits a little bit loose anyway, so this is pretty much perfect. But yeah, this is, by the way, the gray dial. In some lights it's gonna look black. This is absolutely the most beautiful watch that I have ever seen. The moment I saw it, I thought, I need to know the details on that. That is so gorgeous. That is such an amazing looking watch, and it's exactly, kind of the style that I like. So then the fact that it has the removable and interchangeable bezels just was the cherry on top. And on top of it being, everything that I look for, everything that I want to watch, and the reviews online, everything just being such a, everybody had their thumbs, just massively, 2 thumbs way up. Everybody was saying incredible things about it. So I felt like, if I'm going to do this, this is going to be the one. And I had been looking for months, right? A lot of you remember here recently, I just unboxed a Tissot Seastar 1000. I really liked it. I liked it a lot. Unfortunately, the quick release tabs, the first time I went to squeeze them and, so that I could remove the bracelet, one of the pegs broke, and it wasn't the screw down side. It was actually in there, right? It was part of the metal. It broke. So I sent that one back and got a refund, and I thought, you know what, maybe I should just go for it. I told myself one day I would own a Formex Reef, and I thought, let's just do it. Let's do it right now. So I went ahead and went for it, and I can tell you now, with this thing finally here and on my wrist, I could not be happier. This is fantastic. Of course, this is not a review. Again, for anybody expecting a full review right now, this is not a review. I'm just unboxing it and sharing it with you guys. And on top of that, it wouldn't do you much good on this channel anyway, because I am I'm a knife channel. But I am an enthusiast of many different things, an enjoyer of many different things, and I'm very happy to add this to my collection of things. This is something that I will wear. Sorry, I'm dragging this on. I know you guys want to know what the price is, so these come in at $1,790, if I am not mistaken. A little bit less if you don't go with the metal band. I have not seen a watch that was over $1,000, because my comfort zone for watches was previously about $500 to $1,000, and I don't buy them nearly as often as I do knives. But there was nothing that I had seen over $1,000 that even remotely tempted me until I saw this one. So I understand the slope is a lot more slippery from here, so I'm going to try and calibrate and just make good choices, but I'm extremely, extremely happy with this choice here. I know that there's a lot more information that some of you guys might want. Let me tell you, there are some other presences on YouTube that have thoroughly covered this watch and have done a substantially better job than I could ever do. So today I'm just sharing this acquisition with you guys. That's pretty much it. Maybe after months of carry with this thing, I will offer some sort of video on it, do some sort of comprehensive review of a sort. I don't know, but it's really cool. Thanks to everybody who helped me out, made sure and guide me the right way with this purchase. I'm trying to see how we can maybe display this thing. Just just so excellent. I'm very, very excited about this purchase. Very cool. All right. That's going to be pretty much it today. I will, if I can link this down below, I will. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.